Hey there folks, Chuck here, and welcome to the first edition of what will hopefully be a series on books for the Diecast owner, the Diecast vehicle collector to have in their collection. I'm pretty excited about this series because I have a library of books that I want to share and offer my thoughts on, but this one is actually, I think, probably going to come out under my reviews tab because I don't have time to make a new intro right now, but I wanted to get this out sooner rather than later, even though I ordered this a while ago. But this is a book by Anthony Schmidt, and if you don't know him, he is an amazing young man with autism who has discovered a really clever way to do forced perspective photography with usually 1/18th scale diecast vehicles, and this is really cool. So I ordered some stuff from him, and I'm publishing this now because he's got a new book coming out, a new coffee table book, and I wanted to make sure you go over and check it out. It's funny, he's actually grown up a lot since that photo was taken. He's got his own, he's got like a Studebaker Lark now, not a Lark, a Hawk. And he's got, I think he's got a 56 or 57 Ford Custom 300. So he's got his own 1-to-1 scale cars now, but he's got a massive library, and you should check out his socials. I'll link to them below. But really cool guy. And before I get to that, I'm going to get to these because these are his postcard collection, and just kind of flip through real quick. And again, just super cool. Great forced perspective if you like cars or if you like miniatures. It's really cool. And he's started doing his own customs. I think this one is one of his own customs. Yeah, just really cool stuff. I believe that's a green light. I think that's from the Hunter TV series. But yeah, I mean, some of these, like at first glance, you genuinely can't tell that they're not the real thing. It's super cool. So anyway, those are some of the postcards in the collection. It's a lot of postcards. I don't think I realized when I ordered how many postcards it was. So that's great. So if you get something in the mail from me, it's probably going to have one of Anthony's postcards in it. Because I'm trying to be better about not hoarding the things that I have and waiting for that perfect moment to come along, because usually you find out after the fact that you missed it. So I'm trying to be more generous with my things like stickers and postcards and stuff, because you can't take it with you, and if it can brighten someone's day or brighten up something in your office by putting a sticker on it, go for it. So this is his first coffee table book, Small Cars Big Inspiration. I guess he's got a new one coming out, and I've pre-ordered that one. So that's very cool. It's got a dedication by Temple Grandin, who is another amazing person with autism who has really been an inspiration to folks with autism. My brother is on the spectrum. Many of my close friends are on the spectrum. So it's really cool to see, people who, break the mold and can show just some of the amazing things that a person with a neurodivergent mind can do. So, this is brilliant stuff. It's very nice, well bound. Feels like a top quality book like you'd get at a fancy bookstore. So this is not, something like one of those cheap self-published books. Not that there's anything wrong with those. I have a few of those that you're going to see later, and they are amazing, and they are worth every penny, and then some. But yeah, just some beautiful photographs in here. A lot of great inspiration for if you're doing photography to, look at these and look at his angles that he uses. The way he gets down low to make the cars seem bigger. And yeah, it's just super cool. And again, it's also a testament to the vehicles themselves, how well detailed they are now that you genuinely can't tell the difference on some of these photos. I mean, you look close and you see like differences in door gaps and stuff like that. But the fact that you have to look close at all on some of these is just phenomenal. So, and these are, most of these out of the box stock. He hasn't done anything to them. He just lines them up and photographs them, and magic happens. And he does these on his phone too. Again, that's the other thing too, is you don't have to have super fancy equipment. A lot of these are shot on like a smartphone. I don't know if he uses an iPhone or not, but it looks like a photo of his smartphone. So don't know what that is. I'm bad at identifying phones. But anyway, just a really cool book. I'm really excited to get his next one. I'll do a showcase on that when it comes out. We've been talking about having him on Diecast Breakdown. So obviously we want to work with him in a way that makes him feel comfortable. So we're waiting to see how that turns out. But it'd be really awesome to talk to him. But in the meantime, just very cool. There it is. Gary Wilkinson gave that 300 to Anthony, so that's very cool. So that's the car, one of his cars, and he's got I think it's a black Studebaker Hawk now. So very cool kid, cool story. Go to his website, which I think is anthonyschmidtphotography.com or anthonyschmidt.com. Oh, that's really cool. He's got a little quote from Temple Grandin. Yeah, that's super cool. So anyway, worth it. It's not a cheap book, but absolutely worth it. This is a very high quality book. This is a book that will be on your shelf for a very long time, and you'll get a lot of, look at this awesome little stitching in there. Very high quality. Definitely a must-have for the discerning Diecast library. So that's it for today. As always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.